Hi there, my name is Fatau Dauda, aka Lion, Ghana, goalkeeper, Lagos Cities FC, goalkeeper and the captain. Congratulations to Richard Ofori for joining Orlando Pirates. Once and always. Guy, I wish you all the best. I know you are going to do well. We all know the pedigree of Orlando Pirates. So we have joined one of the best clubs in Africa. You know their pedigree, they've won the Champions League and they have many trophies that they have won. I know you are going to excel, inshallah. The fans there are lovely, the management and all the staffs, they are lovely. I know you are going to enjoy in Paris. The president of the club, Mr. Ivan Koza, is a father, is a real father. So guy, I wish you all the best. Make yourself proud, make Ghana proud, and especially this badge, make the badge proud. You are going to enjoy your stay in Orlando Pirates. Once and always, I wish you all the best. Cheers.